Hey everybody, Unlike Dragoon 91 here from Canopy Gaming, and today we're going to be making...
I forgot.
They're called quiche.
Quiche?
Like geesh, but with a K.
Quiche.
Hey everybody, it's Unlike Dragoon 91 here from Canopy Gaming, and today we are going to be making and cooking...
Quiche?
Quiche?
Yeah,
Quiche.
Quiche.
Ready? Fix your hair. Fix my hair. Perfect. They're a camera. They're behind that lens. They're invisible. And that guy in the back, in the corner, is wearing no pants. We can see you. We see you. Right, fix your hair? I'll fix mine. How's my beard look? Look okay? No frillies?
Kinda like it's coming out.
Flirls?
Yeah. I see why. Doing like down there.
Oh, and then burp.
Yeah.
Better?
Like
Goofy? Hey there everybody, it's Uncle Drake. And today we're making...
Quiche.
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 We're making quiche. It's a delicious dish. It's French. Hey there everybody, it's Unlike Dragoon 91 here from Canopy Gaming, and today we're making...
Quiche.
It's quiche.
Quiche.
No, it's quiche. It's Polynesian. Hey there everybody, it's Unlike Dragoon 91 from...
Gaming.
Earth. From Earth. Hey there everybody, it's Unlike Dragoon 91 here from Canopy Gaming, and today we're going to be cooking...
Quiche.
So stay tuned. Yes, today we're making quiche, which is Spanish for a mini cupcake made of egg, right?
I guess. No.
No. I think quiche is French.
That sounds like it.
Quiche. I want to make some quiche. It's delicious. Quiche. Does it fly?
Yeah.
Alright. It's flying around. So yes, today we are making quiche, which is a French term for a small little eggy type cupcake. What a Wikipedia. Anyway, let's get started.
Cussing.
Yeah, you have to do.
I don't know what you're doing.
You gotta. That's how it works. You gotta clap your hands and then it does like a swipe. Ready? Do it again. Do it together. Ready?
Nope.
Nope. We're off. Ready?
Nope.
We're off again. 3, 2, 1. See, you didn't even do it. So we're making quiches. So we're gonna first start out with 2 large cupcake holders, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bring out our ingredients. For this specific recipe, and to make 24 of these cupcakes, we're gonna need 18 eggs. We're gonna need 2 pounds of thick cut bacon. You can go ahead and use thin cut bacon or turkey bacon, but I guarantee that turkey bacon is gonna taste like garbage. We're gonna need some mild cheddar. We're gonna need some white orbs, also known as mushrooms. We're gonna need some parsley, also known as green leafy things that you put on your plate nobody ever eats.
For decoration.
Yeah, they're for decoration. And we're gonna need some grape tomatoes, as well as two green peppers. They don't have to be green peppers. In this case here, for extra color, we're just using yellow and a red pepper. So first thing that we're gonna need to do, cut open the bacon containers and line our pans with the bacon. It's gonna do 2 things. First off, the bacon is going to cook and it's gonna hold our egg quiche together, but the fat from the bacon is also gonna help cook it and lubricate the pans. It's like a spray so that they're easier to remove later. Oh yeah. We're going to take our first bit of bacon and we're just going to go ahead and just put it into the bottom so that the bottom touches the very edge here. So it makes basically a little tiny little bacon cup. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a second piece of bacon. We're going to line the edge of that just a little bit higher, and we're going to use the meat itself to kind of stick, it's the actual word, you're going to stick the bacon to the side here as well. So at the end here, you're going to end up with a little tidy and neat little bacon cup. In this case here, we're using thick cut bacon because it holds up easier.
So a little above, like right here?
Yep, so you're going to want the bottom of the cup to sit right on the bottom. Kind of like you try to stand up a piece of paper on end.
Mine's more like
Okay, I find the easiest way to do it is start off with the side that has the most meat on it, because that's going to be your stable side, and this is going to the fat right here. That's going to be the sticky bit. That's going to stick to things the best. Like this, like Spider-Man.
like
It's
the feeling of it.
so easiest way to get this in here is to put it on the edge like this, put it on the edge like this, and you're just gonna push it down to where the bottom touches. Just so you have a place to start, and then you're just gonna hold it and kind of push down the rest of it and work your way around. And see how it's sticking to the edge of the cup here? That's what you want. Now there's one thing I forgot to do. We're gonna spray the pans. I forgot. I forgot.
That's the easy. Alright. That is the
It'll go quick.
easiest thing to do.
It'll go quick. Alright, so let's try that over again.
Bacon.
What's that?
Bacon got feelings.
Bacon has feelings?
Yes.
I'm bacon. I got feelings. Bacon lives matter. B-O-N. Bacon. Bacon lives matter. Brr.
They do.
Bacon lives do matter. They do, because they're so delicious. Alright, so now that we have little bacon cups, we're going to go ahead and set these aside. Alright, so in a large bowl that you're going to be able to pour things out, we're going to go ahead and crack in 18 eggs to make, the whole thing. To make 12 of these, so start grabbing eggs, start cracking. Next, we're going to go ahead and set this aside. Then we're going to go ahead and start cutting up our vegetables and stuff like that. Now we're going to take our 2 red peppers. We're going to take the little sticker off, because nobody needs stickers. There we go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut around here, and we're going to de-seed or take out the guts. So you're just going to cut around the top. Okay. Ooh, these are frozen. Okay, just go ahead and cut around just like a pumpkin. Okay.
Give me a minute.
Did you cut yourself?
No. Getting dizzy.
Oh, so Bree had to go ahead and step away for a moment. She's dizzy, has like cold sweats, and has a little bit of low blood sugar. So we got an orange for her, and she's sitting down here for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and carry on here until she feels better. Next, we're gonna de-gut peppers. Cut these up in small little slices so they're a little bit manageable. Now we got them chopped here. We're going to put those on a separate plate, and we're just going to go ahead and put those, set those aside. Then we're going to do the same with our white orbs, known as mushrooms. So I washed the container, washed the mushrooms, and we're ready to go. Okay, we'll use the rest of these on the other 12, so put all of these on a plate, and we'll set them aside here as well. Alright, so we got an onion. Ready? There you go. And again, we're going to put this on a paper plate and set it aside. So, we'll set that aside like we did before. We're going to set it up here. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop in our parsley. Okay, and so you're going to have all this wonderful, yummy parsley. This is going to add, it adds color and it adds a little bit of taste. So, here's the fun part. Now, we're going to go ahead and clear our stuff, put everything over here. I'm going to get our eggs back in line here. Now we got our eggs back out here, we're going to go ahead and add a couple of spices, herbs, spices, guys named herbs, girls named spices, Spice Girls.
I know.
Okay. Alright. So here, I do like a little bit more pepper than normal in the egg concoctions here. So we're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon and a half of pepper. And with salt, we're going to be a little bit conscientious about that. About a tablespoon of salt. Add to that here as well. Granulated onion, we go through this a lot, way quick. And same thing here. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons. And then garlic. Garlic, you got to be a little bit careful with because it could be like really strong or it could be like really weak, and you're like, I want more garlic. So for this, we're gonna go light on the garlic. I'm only gonna put in like a half a tablespoon. So we're gonna put all that in. Then we can go ahead and take a whisk, or we're gonna use a fork. What is this called? No, a fork. It's a fork. Yeah, it sounds like I'm saying a bad word. So we're just gonna go ahead and take our fork, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix this in here. Alright, now that that's mixed together here, we're going to go ahead and add our parsley. I'm only going to add like a half amount of this parsley here, since we're making about 24 of these here overall. and we're just going to go ahead and they're nice and well blended. So now we got our egg smorgasbord. We're going to go ahead and set that aside again, and we're going to bring back our bacon. Then this is the fun part where we get to go through all of our different vegetables and basically pile them in. And last but not least, we're going to go ahead and add our cheese. You can use Swiss. I find like a mild cheddar, not necessarily sharp cheddar, but mild cheddar usually does the best, and it melts in with the egg as well and just adds a little bit extra flavor. So now we're going to go back through and add our egg. We're going to go ahead and preheat our oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to put these bad boys in there for anywhere between 35 to 45 minutes, or until the centers of the eggs have solidified. And that's what they should look like. And here is the finished product. Scoop around the edge here. We're going to try to hit that piece of bacon, because that is going to be our spot where we get everything to release, all in one spot, all in one piece. Just get underneath it here best we can. God willing, comes out in one chunk without leaving too much in the bottom. Again. So there you go. That's what she looks like. She's nice and piping hot.
It looks really delicious. That one doesn't want to be eaten. Got feelings like the eggs, not really eggs, the onion, everything else.